Don't say, I don't understand. Say, I'm not following. He is very rich. He is rolling in dough. She is very tired. She is exhausted. I'm hungry. I could eat a horse. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. Calm down. Take it easy. Be careful. Watch your step. I'm very happy. I'm on cloud 9. Stop worrying. Don't sweat it. Stop saying very, very. Words to use instead of very. Very fast. Rapid. Very busy. Swamped. Very bad. Awful. Very angry. Furious. Very large. Colossal. Very big. Massive. Very worried. Anxious. Very noisy. Deafening. Very high. Lofty. Very poor. Destitute. Very shy. Timid. Very cold. Freezing. Very risky. Perilous. Very tired. Exhausted. Very attractive. Charming. Very hungry. Starving. Very rude. Insolent. Very simple. Basic. Very long way. Miles. Basic and important phrasal verb meaning. Throw away. Discard. Turn down. Reject. Turn up. Appear. Wake up. Rouse from sleep. Watch out. Be cautious. Work out. Exercise. Act out. Perform. Ask around. Inquire. Back out. Withdraw. Blow over. Subside. Cut back. Reduce. Do up. Fasten. Draw up. Prepare. Fall apart. Disintegrate. Figure on. Plan. Fill out. Complete a form. Find fault with. Criticize. Get by. Manage. Get over. Recover from. Give in. Surrender.